Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you the best way to boost FPS in Marvel Rivals so your game runs smooth, stable, and faster, even on lower end PCs. We're covering everything from in-game graphics settings to memory and GPU optimizations that give you a performance edge. Before we start, let's quickly explain why FPS matters. In fast-paced games like Marvel Rivals, higher FPS means smoother gameplay, less stutter, and quicker response times, which helps you aim better and react faster in fights. First, let's go into the in-game display settings. Go into display mode, set to full screen or borderless depending on your preference. Full screen often gives you a slight FPS boost. Keep resolution at your monitor's native resolution for clear visuals, but if you need an FPS jump, drop it slightly. Turn VSync off. It removes input lag and helps FPS stay uncapped. Set frame rate limit to unlimited or equal to your monitor refresh rate, like 144 Hz, so your GPU can push as many FPS as possible. These are the basics that have a big impact right away. Next, let's talk about graphics quality. These settings dramatically affect performance. Shadows set to low. Shadows are expensive and kill FPS fast. Effects and post processing to low. This reduces visual clutter and improves FPS. Global illumination and reflections. Use screen space low if possible. Ray traced lighting looks nice but costs a ton of performance. Texture quality medium is usually good. Higher quality textures use more VRAM. By lowering these, you get more stable and higher FPS without making the game look bad. If you have an Nvidia card with DLSS or an AMD card with FSR, enable upscaling. These technologies render the game at a lower internal resolution and upscale it using smart algorithms. Nvidia users DLSS balanced, AMD users FSR balanced. This gives you a big FPS boost with minimal visual loss, perfect for both competitive play. Don't forget about GPU and system optimizations. Update your GPU drivers. Both Nvidia and AMD release regular updates that improve game performance. Close background apps like Chrome or Discord overlays to free system resources. Set the game's process priority to high in Task Manager. This tells Windows to give more CPU power to the game. On Windows 10 or 11, try labeling hardware accelerator GPU scheduling. For some systems, this reduces lag and improves smoothness. These system tweaks combined with graphic settings can make a big difference in FPS and stability. So to recap, lower heavy graphics like shadows and effects, use DLSS or FSR for smart upscaling, update drivers and close background apps, set the game to high priority. If you apply these tips, you'll see much smoother and higher FPS in Marvel Rivals. If this guide helped you, like and subscribe for more performance guides. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.